Introducing the Savage Bros Firemixer-14. This unique all-electric tabletop fudge cooker and mixer can produce fudge, caramel, toffee, nut brittle, gummies, hard candy, and virtually any confectionery that requires heating and mixing. The optimum batch size in the FM14 is around 10 kilograms, with a cook time of around 30 to 60 minutes depending on the recipe. One person processing from start to finish, this fudge, candy and caramel cooker is simple to operate with its PLC touchscreen control and tilt to pour handle. It is also very easy to clean with just a 5-minute boil with water required between batches. Ideal for artisan confectioners and R&D labs looking to improve their caramel, candy or fudge making equipment, as well as large manufacturers who need to produce many different flavours and recipes in one day.